In today's video, I'm going to teach you refund customers in QuickBooks Online. Refunding a customer the right way keeps your books accurate, your bank reconciliation smooth, and your customer records tidy. I'll walk you through the exact flow, and along the way, I'll share tips to help you avoid common mistakes. Start by going to QuickBooks Online. Open your browser, sign in, and from the home page, head to the area where your common tasks live, often called Get Things Done. This is where QuickBooks gathers shortcuts so you can move quickly without digging through menus. Next, click Refund. QuickBooks will open a refund form. At the top, choose the account you want to refund from. This is the bank or credit card account the money will actually be paid out of. Always match this to where the original customer payment landed. For example, if the sale deposited to your checking account, choose that same checking account here. Picking the correct account ensures the refund shows up in the right register and makes matching in your bank feeds straightforward later. Now, complete the required information and save. Select the customer you're refunding so the transaction ties to their profile and activity. Confirm the date so it falls in the correct accounting period. Choose the payment method that reflects how you'll return the funds. On the detail lines, add the product or service you're refunding, or select the appropriate income account if you're reversing a charge without a specific item. Enter the quantity and rate, or simply the refund amount, and review the tax settings. If the original sale included sales tax, mark the line the same way so the refund properly reverses that tax on your reports. Use the memo or reference field to note the original invoice or sales receipt number for a clean audit trail. If you track class or location, fill those in to keep reporting consistent. Before you finalize, double-check that the refund from account is correct and the total looks right. If you want the customer to receive confirmation, use the email option on the form so they get a refund receipt. Click Save. QuickBooks records the refund, reduces the related income, and posts the money out of the account you selected. You'll see the entry in your bank register and in the customer's timeline. If you use a payment processor, the actual return of funds may take a couple of business days to settle. After saving, you can verify the entry under Sales by viewing all sales, and when your bank feed brings in the matching debit, select Match to keep your reconciliation clean. And that's all it takes to refund customers in QuickBooks Online with confidence.